Oh, I don't think I want to put my food in there. Oh, hi guys. Didn't realise you were in there. Is your microwave as disgusting as mine? Old bits of food and stuck on soup and pasta sauce. It's pretty howling, which is Scottish for minging. I know how to fix that, and I'm going to show you. It's real easy. So stay right there. Hi guys, welcome to another illustrious edition of Moggy's Life Hacks. I'm Martin, and today I want to show you a really simple solution to clean your microwave, because let's face it, it's quite an awkward space to clean, to get in there and give it a good clean scrub it, and some of that food can be really kind of baked on. So what we've done is we've just got a boiled kettle, and I've got here a few slices of lemon in a bowl. So just any bowl, a few slices of lemon or a couple of dashes of lemon juice. Just put your boiling water about halfway up in the bowl, not all the way up, just about halfway. And you're just going to put that in your microwave and put it on full heat for 5 minutes. Right guys, microwave's just about to ding. So we're surely going to see the results and see how clean the microwave is. I'm so excited. Any moment now. There we go. Got a free facial at the same time. Oh, it's like a wee steamy sauna of lovely lemony freshness. So let's just take this out of here. Oh, that's hot. And there you go. It's all the mess is just rolled down the walls, and you can just give it a wee wipe up, dead easy. There you go, if you want to have a look at that, cameraman. Nice and clean, pass your tests. Yeah, that's good then. Alright guys, dead easy, so please remember to subscribe, give me a like if you liked that video, and give me any suggestions if you've got any more hacks that you want hacked, and I'll see what I can do. Alright, see you next time on Moggy's Life Hacks.